They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job.
Hey guys, good morning. It's a beautiful morning and I just finished like cleaning my learning space because it was so messed up, like, so I put everything together and I did not eat well last night. I cooked all right, but I wasn't feeling like eating, so I just took like Lipton. I took tea with some cookies and I just went to bed. So I woke up feeling super hungry. What should we make? Maybe I want to take oats. It's been a long time I took oats, so let's go downstairs and cook. You know guys, I have a cooking space, but I'm not even gonna use it. I won't, because at the end of the day my bills will be so high. Guys, like, I have a cooking space in my room, but when I use it my electricity bill will be very high, and I'm trying to be economical here. Like, I'm even broke already, and so I'll just go downstairs and use the general cooking space so that my bills do not go high. So let's go downstairs and make quick oats milk. See you. Some milk for the oats. That's all. This oats bar, I kind of already like used some here, so we'll be using that one. So guys, let's go to the kitchen and make some food.
Don't slack off, wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me.
Ooh, yummy. I'll have it with like this that I made some time ago, so let me show you guys. Yummy. I'll add just a little more milk, cause yeah, yummy. I'm sorry. Time to feast. Finally. This is so good. Like, I'm not a fan of oats unless it's creamy, so that is the more reason why I added so much milk. You guys should try this, it's so good.
Fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense.
I'm so hungry that I finished this in less than 6 minutes. No, that's no good habits. I got some pizza wraps like yesterday from the market, so I want to attempt I want to make pizza for lunch and I'm super hungry. I think I have all the ingredients. Let's double check. I think I have my pizza wrap here. I have carrot, red bell pepper, mozzarella cheese, spring onion. We have everything, guys. Let's go downstairs and make pizza. It's pizza time.
When I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. Settle, there's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5, 10-year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna
It's ready.
hey, when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense.
Guys, ready? Guys, like, I can't wait. This is like, I just know it will come out well because I invited. Guys, this is so good. I don't expect it to come out, you know. I don't trust like this pizza crust that have already been made. You already know me. I like something I make myself, but I think this is okay. It's not bad, you know. Maybe what I would have done differently was I'll add more ingredients into the flour, but it's okay. I like it.
There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you
It's all good.
just to be in control of my life.
You all should try this, okay? Wait, I just realized I haven't had pizza since I came to Japan. This is actually my first pizza. I could actually finish this, but it's so good. I'll save this for later.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Made this yesterday, but I was not feeling like eating, so I'm eating it today. That's it. This is just like noodles with vegetables, sausages, and I added like stir fry.
Man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5, 10-year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. in life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do